A recap of tenses and verbs. Tense indicates a point of time or period of time in the past, present or future tense. Tense is related to the verb. The verb may consist of a single word or a main verb and one or more auxiliary words. The verb can indicate a state of being or location. For example, Bharat is intelligent. Mona is at work. A verb can indicate what the subject is like or becomes. For example, the child seems frightened. A verb can indicate an action. For example, the students will finish their work in time. There are normally three forms of verb: V1, V2 and V3. For convenience, a fourth form, that is V4, verb plus ing, may also be used. Forms of verb: V1, V2, V3 and V4. Now we will see one by one. V1, go. V2, went. V3, gone. V4, going. The same way, write, wrote, written, writing. Now we will see a comparison study regarding tenses and verbs. Simple present, V1. Simple past, V2. Simple future, shall or will plus V1. Present continuous, is, am or are plus V4. Past continuous, was or were plus V4. Future continuous, shall or will plus be plus V4. Present perfect, has or have plus V3. Past perfect, had plus V3. Future perfect, shall or will plus have plus V3. Present perfect continuous, has or have plus been plus V4. Past perfect continuous, had plus been plus V4. Future perfect continuous, shall or will plus have been plus V4. Now we will see a recap of all the tenses, like simple present tense, starting with simple present tense. Simple present tense talks about a present state of affairs, oral fact, habitual actions or future timetables. For example, a present state of affairs: Joe lives in Jammu. A general fact, for example, the sun rises in the east. Habitual actions: I listen to the radio in the evenings. Future timetables: example, my flight leaves at 9 o'clock. Now we'll see present continuous. Present continuous is specific action that is occurring. For example, Arya is watching TV right now. A general activity that takes place. These days I am taking it easy. Future arrangements. For example, I am inviting Himesh to the party on Tuesday. Simple past tense. Simple past tense is used when an action that began and ended at a particular time in the past. For example, the mail came early this morning. An action that occurred over a period of time but was completed in the past. Dad worked in advertising company in the past. An activity that took place regularly in the past. For example, we jog every morning after class. Interrupted actions. For example, past continuous. Now we will start with past continuous. It talks about interrupted actions. For example, I was drinking coffee when the telephone rang. A continuous state over a period of time but was completed in the past. For example, he was looking very ill. I was meeting lots of people at that time. Events planned in the past. For example, Neetu was leaving for Kerala but had to make a last minute change. For expressing a future intent, Jyoti is going to bring her brother tonight. For predicting an event, for example, you are going to pass the test, don't worry. Next, simple future. Simple future for making a future decision. For example, I will call you after dinner. Predicting a future event. For example, you will pass the test, don't worry. Indicating willingness to do something. For example, if I don't feel better soon, I will go to the doctor. Future continuous, an action that will be going at a particular time in the future. For example, at noon tomorrow, I will be taking the children to their piano lessons. Future actions which have already been decided. I will be wearing my black dress for the party. Next is present perfect, an action that happened at an unspecified time. For example, she has never climbed a mountain. Another example, I'm sorry, I've forgotten your name. An action that has recently occurred. He's just gone to sleep. An action that began in the past and continues up to the present, often be used with for or since. For example, Jay has lived in Jammu all his life. I have been here since Tuesday. She has known him for 2 weeks. And present perfect is also used for an action that happened repeatedly before now. For example, I have failed my driver's test thrice. Present perfect continuous. We are also using this for next is present perfect continuous. We are using present perfect continuous for an action that has began in the past and has just recently ended. For example, have you been ringing the bell? An action that began in the past and continues in the present. For example, Leela has been studying for 3 hours. An action repeated over a period of time in the past and continuing in present. For example, Suresh has been smoking since he was 11. Next, we'll see past perfect. Past perfect, an action that occurred before another past action. For example, Tina had left hours before we got there. An action that was expected to occur in the past. For example, I had hoped to know about the job before now. Past perfect continuous. For example, past perfect continuous is used for an action that occurred before another past action. For example, his legs hurt because he had been playing for 11 hours. An action that was expected to occur in the past. For example, I had been expecting a change in her attitude. Next, we will see future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, an action that will be completed before a particular time in the future. That is, for example, by next November, my parents will have been married for 60 years. Future perfect continuous, emphasizing the length of time that has occurred before a specific time in the future. For example, by September, my father will have been working at the same job for 50 years. That's all the recap. Please like and subscribe Travel Treats for more updated videos.